Unlocking conversations. Expressing preferences with "What's your favorite?" and "Which do you prefer?" Hello there, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore an integral part of everyday conversation, asking about likes and dislikes. Specifically, we'll focus on how to use "What's your favorite?" and "Which do you prefer?" to inquire about people's preferences. So let's dive in. What's your favorite is a direct and straightforward way to ask someone about their likes. The phrase can be followed by a noun, be it a thing, place, or an activity. Here are some examples. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite sport? Remember, responses to these questions typically start with "my favorite," noun, is, followed by your choice. For instance, if asked, "What's your favorite movie?" you might respond with, "My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption." While "What's your favorite?" is excellent for asking about general preferences, "Which do you prefer?" allows us to delve deeper into specific choices. This phrase is especially useful when you're presenting someone with two or more options to choose from. For example, "Which do you prefer, coffee or tea? Which do you prefer, summer or winter?" When responding, you can simply say, "I prefer," option. If asked, "Which do you prefer, coffee or tea?" your answer might be, "I prefer coffee." A great way to enhance your English conversation skills is to add reasons to your responses. By doing so, not only do you express your preference, but you also initiate further conversation and make it more engaging. For instance, "What's your favorite movie?" "My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption because I find the storyline incredibly moving." "Which do you prefer, coffee or tea?" "I prefer coffee. It helps me kickstart my day." And that's a wrap. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding how to use "What's your favorite?" and "Which do you prefer?" when asking about likes and dislikes. Keep practicing these phrases, and soon enough, you'll find yourself having more dynamic and meaningful conversations. Remember, learning a language is a journey, so don't hesitate to go back and review any sections of this video if needed. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.